Today we're going to make a fall decoration that is made with some botanicals that we can hang on our front porch or our door and welcome guests in, but also utilize some things that we can grow here locally in our garden. So the first item that I have, this is a branch of eucalyptus that I had growing in my greenhouse. This is broom corn. This is actually in the grain sorghum family. This is a nice long leaf of it. I'm going to take it off today. It grows really tall and I want to take this piece off just so that it doesn't hinder from any of the appearance that I want. And I can just remove it very gently by pulling it away by the shaft. And you can see how fun this is. It kind of opens it up. These have these fibrous stems on here that we can add. It's a really fun addition to our broom set. So I'm going to use this today. Also have some curly willow branches. I love the texture and all the wispiness of these curly willows. Now this one is one that has dried. So if I wanted to add it and have a different color to it, I like this dark coloration because I'm using a lot of bright, vibrant colors. So I'm going to utilize this. But these are some stems that can be used and added to it. So I'm going to add this to my broom set. I'm using my broom corn to be my handle, so I'm going to pull it up just a slight bit. Another addition I want to make to this one is that I want to use some of this plume celosia. I'm going to pull some of these excess leaves away so that it has this nice space as we're going and the stem is showing. But look at that vibrant color to this. This is going to dry and it's going to keep a lot of that color that's going with it. So I'm going to add this one. This is more of a pink flamingo. This is a different variety, but still a celosia. And then this one has this deep burgundy color stem and leaves set. I'm going to pull a few of the leaves. I don't mind if I have a few of them on there, but I don't want so much excess on there. I'm going to expose some of the stem because I want that to come up and trail up on my broom today. So I'm going to use these botanicals. Along with it, I'm going to add some of these sea oats. This will give it a little bit more wispiness and it's getting that coloration for the fall colors that's able to be harvested right now. And then I have some dried gomphrena. This I've dried and you can kind of see it's going. So it's going to keep that nice straight stems. It's got some white and it has some purple and pink coloration to it, but this will keep its color, which will go really nicely with our broom to kind of dry out. As that celosia dries, this gomphrena is going to hold true to its color and stay on there. So I'm just layering my broom set right now and my botanicals as I go on here. We can either zip tie it, and because I have so much bulk right now, I could wire it, but I'm afraid that some of it as it dries, it might slip through that wire a little bit. So I'm going to take a zip tie for this one, and I'm going to go ahead and tighten it. I'm going to run it through the zip tie. Again, you can wire it, but as it begins the moisture out of those stems, sometimes they might fall. And since I want this to be more of like a traditional broom look to it, I want them to be really centered on this main leader on the stem. I'm going to tighten it up as tight as I can pull it. And I'm going to go ahead and remove any excess on my zip tie. I'm going to go ahead and tame down some of these stem ends. Now, if this one's a little too long, I can always remove it. I kind of like a little bit of length on it because I do have a little bit of my eucalyptus that's a little longer, so it's okay. The gomphrena is dried and I can kind of pull it to the sides if I need it to kind of move as I'm positioning things. If there's anything I really want to pop out and see, I can kind of reposition. Now, I have the choice. I can either use a jute string on it, but I really like this blue piece of fabric for my ribbon that I'm going to use to make a bow. I want this to be a little bit of a trailing ribbon, so I have this fabric that's been dyed. I think this kind of gives us that nice fall color look to it. Really like this ribbon with the coloration with it. Take this I'm going to tie it around a couple different wraps so it kind of takes and hides my zip tie. So it's going to cover any of that mechanics I had. Also, by wrapping it, I kind of get that nice secure wrap look to it, kind of layers it just a tad bit. And then I can tie a nice bow, kind of a loopy bow, and then it will have a nice tail to it. So I wanted to have a little bit of a loopy bow. I don't mind this tail actually going down in front of some of the gumbrina. It's kind of got a nice little loop to it, and it hangs down. This is a nice way to incorporate some botanicals into my fall decorations. I'm utilizing items out of our cut flower garden or your garden that you can grow. You can purchase a lot of these seeds and grow them locally. I love that idea that we can utilize local product. If you have any more questions on how to do a botanical broom or questions about growing any of your flowers or vegetables, please contact your local extension office or visit our website to learn more.